Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today my last recipe on the Tbsp Pro Series 11 and 50. I have to go back in Europe, and before heading back to the airport, I wanted to have a last very good meal. And yesterday I found that tomahawk in a store. It's a 3 pounds tomahawk. It's beautiful, and I decided to grill it in reverse sear mode. Reverse sear is one. I will first smoke the meat at the minimum in smoke mode until an internal temperature of 35 Celsius degrees. And then I will open the searing plate of the grill, set the grill to the maximum to get a 550 Celsius degrees temperature above the flames, and I will sear the meat just above the flames until an internal temperature of 51 Celsius degrees. So when the meat will have a rest for maybe 10 minutes, the internal temperature of the meat will raise to 54, 55, maybe 56 Celsius degrees, which is the perfect cooking for me, for my taste. Okay, so let's go. For the rub, I will use the sweet heat rub from Tbsp. Sweet heat, a bit of sweet, so I will get a very nice crust on the meat. The sugar in the rub will caramelize, of course, and sweet heat, because I like the heat of that rub, and I like the heat by itself. All right, for the sauce, I will do a Bourbon sauce. Bourbon, I need to empty the bottles before to leave, so I will use the bourbon with some cream, lemon, brown sugar. You will see it's a very, very good sauce and perfect for that kind of meat in the American way, of course. Okay, let's go. I will first oil the meat with some butter spray to let the rub stick to the meat. Okay, and then I will smoke it. The internal temperature of the meat is at 36 Celsius degrees, so it's time to remove the meat from the grill and set the grill to 260 to the maximum and open the searing plate to heat the grits. You can see that I have a really nice color. I open the searing plate and set the grill to the max. H is for the maximum. Okay, the temperature of the grill is at 260 Celsius degrees, so it's time to grill the meat. This is simply unbelievable. There is no other pellet grill except Louisiana Grills and Tbsp able to do that. All right, now I have a perfect crust like I like, the way I like it. And now I will place the meat on the side of the grate to let it reach the internal temperature of 51, 52 Celsius degrees. All right, 51 degrees. We'll cook some broccoli head. Start with bourbon, quarter of a cup, black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Okay, it started boiling, so I will add the juice of a half lemon, quarter of a cup of beef broth, and you let it reduce for 5 minutes. 1 tablespoon of grainy mustard. All right, at this point you have 2 options. The first one is to add some cream. It's easy to do and it's very good. The second one is, like in France, use some cold butter and whip the sauce to glaze it. So look at this meat. We have like a medium rare plus. It's how I like it. So it's perfect. I just have to taste it, but I know it's good. So I hope you appreciate this video about the reverse searing on the Tbsp Pro Series 11 and 50. That pellet grill is really fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.